In this video, I'll be going over my exact cold email infrastructure setup for 2026. If you don't know, this is a video from my 40-hour plus course on mastering B2B outbound lead generation. In this entire video, I'll be explaining how I set up my domains and inboxes, what tools and resellers I use to diversify and get the best deal, what configuration you need to do to not land in spam, and how to connect it with your outreach tools. So without further ado, let's get into it. By purchasing infrastructure and setting it up, I mean that we need domains. So we will buy a lot of domains, and then we will buy mailboxes, and then we will set them up, right? For domains, we are using Spaceship. Spaceship.com is one of the best domain provider. It's cheap and it's reliable as well. Zapmail, on the other hand, is a third-party reseller for Google and Microsoft mailboxes, and it's reliable as well. So first of all, I want you to create accounts on both of these platforms, spaceship.com and zapmail.ai. And once you've created an account, we'll start with Spaceship because that's where we are going to purchase our domains. That's step one. So create an account, go to Beast mode. Beast mode is actually a mode where you will be able to paste multiple domains at a time. Currently, I cannot go to Beast mode, so I need to search for something. So I'll just randomly search for a domain, and then I will be able to go to beach mode. So I'll click here, and now I will just paste all the domains, the domain names that I want to purchase. So I'll paste all those domains. So these are just the sample domains that I'm gonna purchase, uh, and then just make sure that the TLD here is .com because we don't need any other TLD. By TLD I mean what's behind the domain name. So .ai, .uk, .in, right? .net, it can be anything. So we just need .com because that's where the most amount of deliverability is. The domain reputation is relatively higher. And then click on generate. So these are 40 domains, right? And then there's a high possibility then that a few of these domains might have been taken, right? So I can see here, for example, this domain is taken. Let's scroll down a bit. Okay, so all the domains are available except this domain. So now I need to have a replacement for this domain. So in order to have a replacement, what I can do, I can just add one domain, for example, sensomediauk.com, and then I can press generate, and let's see if that UK domain is available or not. Okay, so this is still unavailable, that's fine. But since we have added one extra domain, that should be available, right? Okay, so seems like this is available. So now we have balanced the number of domains which are available. Now you just need to click on add all to the basket. You can just add all at a time. And then gradually it will add each domain in your card. You can currently see 16 right now. It's adding one by one. So just purchase all of them. It's showing in INR. That's my country's currency, but typically the domains are around $9 after tax, 9 USD. So once you've purchased all the domains, then go to this, go to domain manager. So you will be able to find domain manager by clicking on domains and this domain manager here. And you will be able to see, okay, so you can see all the 40 domains here in the cart. So just check out and add them, like just purchase them. And then you will be able to see all the domains here, right? So, and then you can also like control the name servers. That's what we are going to do in the next step. But before doing this, I'll tell you the Zapmail. So the first step is completed, which is Spaceship, buying the domains. That's good. Well done. Now you need to create an account. Hey, just a quick heads up. If you're someone who's failing to generate leads for you or for your client's business due to lack of knowledge of these outbound tech stack and strategies, then I do have something to help you. I've created a 40 plus hours of targeted training covering my entire outbound learnings from past 3 years. If you're interested to learn more about it, then click on the link in the description. Or if you're someone who want to hire me to run your outbound for your business, then book a call with me from the link in the description. Now back to the video. So once you create an account on Zapmail, then the interface would be something like this. Yeah, the interface would be something like this. And on top right corner, you will be able to see Google Workspace and Microsoft 365. Now, typically, I recommend to purchase 50-50, 50% Google Workspace and 50% Microsoft 365. So just purchase both of them. So for this example, uh, let's start with Microsoft 365. So, so the plan of Zapmail allows us to purchase 30 mailboxes for $99. If you just created an account, it would be showing 00 here. So you just need to click on next billing and then just purchase an account. So click on buy new plan and then purchase this middle plan. So this middle plan will allow us to purchase 30 mailboxes, Microsoft mailboxes for $99. Uh, and once you pay, then you go to dashboard again, then your screen would look something like this: 30 mailboxes and your billing is $99. But we don't just need 30 mailboxes, right? We need more mailboxes. So that means that we need to purchase additional mailboxes and pay additional amount. For that, just click on this mailboxes and you will see 30 mailboxes are unassigned currently. uh, just go to this add mailboxes, because let's say we need 60 mailboxes, right? So we already have 30 mailboxes. These are Microsoft. Again, remember, we are just doing this for Microsoft. We need to repeat the same process for Google as well. So for Microsoft, let's say we need 60 in total, and for Google, we need 60. So for Microsoft, we have 30, plus we need additional 30 mailboxes. So we need to purchase them. So go to add mailboxes and click on buy mailboxes. And here, just type the number 30, and then it will cost you another $97.5. Pay, and whatever the preferred model is, just pay through that. And then once you do the payment, then here, if you go again to the dashboard, instead of 30, it will show 60. And here in the next billing, it will show the additional number, not $99, more than that, right? Depending upon how many extra mailboxes you have purchased. So this is a basic setup, right? And you need to repeat the exact same thing on Google as well. So here I've already did that. We purchased the $90, $99 plan, and then we purchased additional mailboxes. And now we have 75 mailboxes unassigned here. So in this workspace, I created 45 extra mailboxes, or I purchased 45 extra ones. Now I'll tell you what we need to do. So again, go back. Okay, so I'll show in the Google Workspace itself. Go to mailboxes and click on assign now. Now we need to connect these mailboxes with the domains that you have purchased. So this is a really important step. Go to assign now and click on understand. And typically what I would do, I'll just go to upload bulk CSV, right? And then just find a sample CSV, because we need a structure, we need a template where we can put in all the data. So now what I did, I actually made a copy of this sheet uh, into this empty sheet. And now here's things get a bit interesting, because you need to pay attention here, like how we're exactly filling this sheet. It's really important. So initially, I'll just copy all this into this empty sheet, and we need to fill all the mailboxes here. So the first name of that mailbox, last name of that mailbox, username. That means what will be before the @ right? So the email would be something like let's say first name dot last name at domain.com, or the domain consists the TLDR, right? So this would be one format of email. That's what I suggest. And this is the username, right? And this is the domain. And that's exactly what you're filling here. Another format of email. So if you remember, one domain equals to 3 mailboxes. So one domain equals to 3 mailboxes. That means that we need 3 templates, 3 or 3 formats of
usernames. So the first format of username I prefer is this one. Second format I prefer just the first name. So first name at domain, right? And the last one, I mean, it depends, but I prefer first name dot initials of last name. So I'll give you an example. In this case, let's first of all, I would need to scrape all the domains. So let me write all the steps here. So scrape all the domains. That's step one. Step two would be divide those domains 50-50 because 50% goes to G Suite and 50% goes to Microsoft. The third step would be fill the mailbox sheet 3 times for three different formats. So we have three different formats, so we need to fill this 3 times uh, and then replicate this for another mailbox provider or another for G Suite or for Microsoft, whichever you are doing before. Right. So these are four simple steps. Let's start with step one, which is scrape all the domains. So for scraping all the domains, I'll again go to this domain manager that you have here. So I have 50 domains. I will just scrape them and divide them in 25-25. That's 50-50. In order to scrape them, now this is quite interesting. In order to scrape these domains, either if you already have the names, then you can just copy them and paste them here. If you don't have the names that you have purchased, I would say search for instant data scraper. This is a very simple free scraper. You don't need to pay for it. You can just that you can download from web store. I already have it. So once you have that, then just select all of these domains and then go to your extension, click on this instant data scraper. If you click on this pop-up will appear, and here you can see it already started scraping 33 rows, right? But in order to scrape the full page, I'll just check this infinite scroll so that it keeps scrolling, and then I'll click on start scrolling. Now you can see this number will increase. It went to 47 and now 50. So it successfully scraped all the domains. Now in order to copy those domains, just click on this copy all and then paste them here, just like this. So we have all the 50 domains here. You can remove the header. So this is the header. We don't need that. And then I'll just copy this and paste it here. And I'll remove all of this, right? Because for me, the first name would be a bit different. So the first name would be, so I'd prefer use a US female name. That's what gets the most amount of engagement. If you have a US female, like a female with a typical US name or a British name, then then try to use that. Otherwise, you can also create a fake name. Uh, you can generate that, and that would also work. But that's preferred if you have someone in your team, and you can use her name, right? That's what gets the most uh, reply rate by stats, right? Now the username, right? So for the username, we will use one format for now, which is this one, first name dot last name. So that typically means rose dot grant, and then I'll copy this and I will paste it until here like this, right? So that's one time that I filled all the mailboxes. Now, as you can see, okay, so I missed one step, which was dividing these mailboxes 50-50. So these were the 50 domains, right? So these are like, okay, I think, so I repeated this by mistake. Okay, so these are 50 domains, right? I need to divide them 50-50, so that means 25. So I'll just cut the 25. I'll cut 25 and I'll paste it into a new sheet. So let's say this one is for G Suite and this one is for Microsoft. Right, that's quite simple. And apart from that, I'll paste the regular stuff and I'll remove these. Right, so we have successfully did first step and second step. Now the third step is fill the mailbox sheet 3 times for 3 different formats. I've already filled this for one format, which was this one. Now I need to fill it for first name as well. So I'll again take all the domains and I'll copy them again because again one domain equals to 3 mailboxes, so we'll keep using the same domains 3 times. Then I'll fill the first name and last name. This will also remain same always. Now the only thing which will be different will be the username. So the username will be rows here, just like this, and I'll drag it till here. And then again, we need to do this exact same thing. Uh, so I'll copy this again and paste it. And then in the username, it would be rows.g, right? So that's the first initial of the last name. And then I'll drag it up till here. So successfully, we have created around 75 mailboxes out of 25 domains, right? Um, and then I'll do the exact same for the other one. So for this, it would be quite straightforward. I'll just copy these domains 3 times in a row. And I'll just copy these 3 columns like this. So only the only difference between G Suite and Microsoft is the domains are different, but the usernames and everything would be same. So done. Step 3 also done. We did this 3 times for step 4 also done because we have replicated this for the other provider as well. So now we have 75 mailboxes here and 75 unique mailboxes here. I'll just remove all the mess. And now what I'll do, I'll just export this. So I'll just download this as a CSV. So this is G Suite. And then I'll download the Microsoft one as well. That's Zapmail Microsoft. And now what I'll do, I'll just go to Zapmail. Here, remember I'm on Google Workspace, so I'll just click on Upload Bulk, and I'll just upload this G Suite one, and I'll click on Upload All. Now, it might take some time. Let me refresh this. G Suite, let's see, Upload All. So taking some time. Let's see what's wrong. Okay, so the reason why I was not adding it was due to this. It says that after the billing, then only we can renew it. So we can schedule it. So I'll just show you how to schedule it. So click on that schedule, click on bulk upload, and upload the CSV like this. Only domains from available list were added. Okay, so I forgot one thing that you need to connect to domains as well, right? We haven't connected our domains yet with Zapmail, and after we connect our domains, then only we can connect the mailboxes. So in order to connect domains, just go to this domain option, this domain section, and click on add domains, and then click on this connect domains right here. And then, by the way, this is on the Google Workspace. So essentially, we need to upload all the domains, all the 25 domains that we have. I'll just download a sample file. So domains will look like this. It's pretty simple. And I have all these domains here 3 times pasted. So what I'll do is domain G Suite. And then we have domain Microsoft. copy it with here. This one is for Microsoft. And then I'll just do the exact same thing here as well. So you have 25 domains here, and I'll paste it. Domains. Just download these. That's domain G Suite, and I'll download this as well. That's domains Microsoft. And then again go to Zapmail, and then remember we are on Google Workspace. So I'll just upload the G Suite domains and click on upload all. So now it is checking the name servers. By NS regard it means name servers. Uh, Essentially, what we need to do, we need to copy all these four name servers and paste it into Spaceship. I'll tell you how we can do that. Uh, so just select all of these and go to this name server and click on change name servers and click on custom name servers and add four name servers here, and then copy these one by one. So it's pretty straightforward, nothing technical here, you just need to copy paste. But the process is a bit lengthy, I agree there, but it's quite smooth as well. Once you have pasted all the four name servers, just click on yes, save it, and then change the name servers like this. It might take some time, maybe 2-3 minutes, 5 minutes, but essentially it will change all the name servers of all the 50 domains. Uh, so currently it's also in the status of checking NS records. If it actually checks it and the name servers are updated to these, then it will show connected or something like that. So just wait a second and like continuously recheck. You can see this is in progress. It's checking whether okay, so now you can see connection successful. So we have successfully changed the name servers, right? So I'll just recheck this for all. And you can see now a lot of greens connection successfuls are popping up. Hopefully all the 25 domains that we have added, all of them will connect. That's some of them are still remaining. I'll just manually connect them. Okay, so the remaining ones are also connected now. So all of them are connected, right? So that's pretty good. So I'll just go back, and here you can see all these 25 domains are connected. You need to do the exact same thing on Microsoft as well. But just for the demonstration purpose, I'll just show you how to do this. Then click on assign mailboxes here. Since the domains are connected, now we are good to connect the mailboxes as well after the domains. So our CSV is already uploaded, as you can see. So there should be around 75 mailboxes here. Uh, we can also attach photo, but it's quite hard. It doesn't give an option to upload photo and when we are bulk uploading. So maybe you need to maybe you can skip that. Then click on assign 75 mailboxes right here.
So now the next step is just to export all of these into your Smart Lead or Instantly account. So for that, just select all of these mailboxes, click on export, and just select the platform where you want to export them. For example, here I will export them on Smart Lead. So I'll just click on export and then just put your credentials here. So I'll just put all the credentials and I'll click on login to export. And that's it. So now what this Zapmail will do, they using API integrations, they will automatically export all of these 75 mailboxes to smart lead and saying that might take up to 30 minutes, right? So let me go to my smart lead account, and you might not see them instantly, but within maybe 30 minutes you will be able to see them. And you can do the exact same with your Microsoft mailboxes. So here are the Microsoft ones. And here, by the way, I put the profile picture as well, for more conversions, more open rates and all of that. So I'll just do this exact same process and I'll click on export here. Hey, so most of the mailboxes are already connected now. Total mailboxes to be connected over 150, and out of 150, around 117 are connected. Uh, so once all of these mailboxes are connected, I'm just showcasing you what you need to do. So just select all the mailboxes, and then just click on bulk update because we need to turn on the warm up settings. So just repeat these settings after me. Total number of warm up emails should be around 15. Uh, Reply rates would be 70%, and randomized number of warm up emails you can randomize it like this. And that's pretty much it. In the general settings, we need to change the messages per day to 10 and minimum time gap to be, let's say, 12, or you can say 10 as well. You can keep the signature empty because we will be using the signature in the email copy itself, not here. And yes, that's the only settings that you need to do. And click on save, confirm, and let me refresh this. Currently it's showing warm up enabled is no, right? Let's see. Uh, I think we didn't turn on the warm up. So I'll just click on bulk update again. And yep, I'll just make these active and I'll click on save. Before that, I'll also replicate the settings that I did before. Save, confirm. Okay. So we just need to wait 1 minute. Okay, let's do it again. It's been 1 minute. I'll just type confirm here. Okay. And boom, we have all the warm